from kimchi. And this is another famous stew in Korea, and this is called doenjang jjigae, and this is made of doenjang right here.
What is kimchi made of?
That one I'm going to explain right next.
Oh, okay.
Here. See?
That's
a whole slide.
Yes. So this slide is for kimchi because kimchi is like Korean thing. So who has never tasted kimchi before? No. And who thought that kimchi has like only strong and spicy taste? Yeah. So like regular form of kimchi is this one, and how you make this is you have to buy cabbage first. And like a month ago, I actually made kimchi with my host family because my host dad is kimchi lover. So we bought this cabbage, white cabbage, and then you have to put it in salt water and soak it for 6 hours because we have to get the energy out of the kimchi. So like before it goes to salt water, it has really fresh and strong cabbage, but after the 6 hours in salt water, it goes like beam like that. So we want to make it like that. And then you have to put vegetable Korean traditional sauce and red pepper, and you have to put in every layer of kimchi, like cabbage. So then you can like put some oysters and shrimp if you want. Like you have to put it, yeah. And then you can make this kimchi. And this kimchi here doesn't have like spicy taste at all. So we have variety kinds of kimchis in Korea. And these are just one of the kind. And these are made of white radish, and these are made of cabbage right here. So who knows what Taekwondo is? Yes.
It's martial art.
Yes. And Korean martial art.
Yes.
There. So this is the picture of Korean Taekwondo players, and this picture was for Beijing Olympics, and we did great job in Beijing Olympics. And I found this picture interesting. So I was searching internet for Taekwondo, and I found this picture that the son of David Beckham is learning Taekwondo in LA. So I found this picture interesting. So when I was young, when I was in elementary school, I learned Taekwondo for many years, and I approached like right below level of black belt. So I'm gonna show you a little bit of Taekwondo kicks. So I can't be perfect, okay? So this is the basic form, like basic structure that you make before you make a kick. And then this is a front kick, like that, like this. And side kick would be this. And I don't know how you call this, but jump kick would be like this. And another side kick would be so like that. And this is the only thing that I can show you. So hanbok is Korean traditional clothes. So we use different fabric in summer and winter because in summer we use grammy fabric because we want the air to come and go through. And winter we use silk because we don't want the cold air to come through our like body because it gets really cold.
Is Rami a plant?
Yes, it is. And I actually brought Korean traditional clothes here. So I'm sure my friends saw this because I decided to wear my Korean traditional clothes every month. So yeah. So I try to like think the way that I can show Korean thing to students in our school. And I decided to wear hanbok every last day of the month. this is 한복.
That's so cool.
Thank you. Like that.
It looks so much more complicated when you don't watch somebody put it on.
Yeah.
Well, it's like, it's made simple. Like you put your hands under here. Yeah. And these are some other pictures of Korean traditional clothes. And these are like more traditional hanbok. And these are the pictures of more like hanbok for modern people, so they can wear every day. So I am gonna show you some Korean instruments, and we have lots of Korean traditional instruments. But today I'm just gonna show you gayageum and danso. But like, well, I can show you danso right now. Here, this is called the danso. I learned gayageum for like 3 years, and I wanted to bring it in America. But gayageum is like this tall, and I had to pay extra money to like fly gayageum to America, and it was kind of expensive. So I only brought danso here. So I will try to play danso, but I'll try my best. Okay, I'll try again.
That's hard.
So these are some Korean money, and we have paper money and coins here. And this is the symbol of won that we use. So American uses dollar and Korean uses won here. And $1 equals 1,141. It changes every day. So I see Miss Darter look like, because it's 1,000. So that is exactly what my host sister did. So it's not a big deal though, because in 1,001 we can only buy some snack. So it's like almost the same value. So 1,001 almost equals $1. And we use metric system in Korea.